Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you step by step how to use Zapier to automate daily tasks. We will create a simple workflow. Whenever a new email arrives in Gmail, Zapier will automatically save it to Google Drive. Let's get started. Step 1. What you need. You need 3 things: a Zapier account, a Gmail account, and access to Google Drive. Make sure you are logged in to all accounts. Step 2. Create a Zap. Go to zapier.com and sign in. On the dashboard, click on Create Zap. Remember, every Zap has 2 parts: the trigger and the action. Step 3. Set the trigger. Search for Gmail as the trigger app. Choose New Email as the trigger event. Connect your Gmail account to Zapier. Select the inbox or label where you want Zapier to check emails. For example, you can select Primary Inbox. Click on Test Trigger. Zapier will fetch a sample email for you. Step 4. Add the action. Now, click the plus button to add an action. Search for Google Drive. Choose Upload File as the action event. Connect your Google account. Next, map the fields. For the file, choose the email attachment. Or, if you want, you can upload the full email content as a text file. Then select the Google Drive folder where you want the file to be saved. Click Continue. Run a test action. Zapier will upload a sample file to your Google Drive. Step 5. Turn on the Zap. Once everything looks correct, click Publish. Your Zap is now live. Send yourself a test email with an attachment. Check Google Drive. You will see the file saved automatically. Step 6. Check and fix. If something does not work, go to Zap History. There you can see every task that Zapier tried to run. If you find errors, reconnect the app or adjust your trigger settings. Outro. And that's it. You have created your first automation with Zapier. From now on, your emails will be saved directly to Google Drive without any effort. That's all for today. See you again with another topic in the next video.